Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. The classic hero's journey is the kind collected by the late Joseph Campbell, an American writer best known for his work in comparative mythology and religion. It's the basis for countless stories, both ancient and modern. It's the story of Gandalf going to Frodo to tell him it's his sacred duty to take the ring and put it in the fire on the mountain over there. Even if you're not familiar with The Lord of the Rings, the scenario might seem familiar. "No," says Frodo in shock and panic, alarmed at the prospect of being singled out. "Why me? I'm happy and comfortable here, and it looks dark, dangerous, and deathly over there." "Surely you've got the wrong guy, and even if I am the right guy, which I'm not, can't you at least come back tomorrow when I've had a chance to think it over? And perhaps by then you will have found someone else." I've come to understand we are all given the chance to be heroes of our own lives by serving something larger than ourselves. None of us can shake off our destiny without giving something up of what it means to be truly alive. For as Joseph Campbell put it, we do not look for the meaning of life, but rather seek the feeling of being alive. How alive are you when you get up to go to work of a morning? What sense of accomplishment do you feel at the end of the day when the work is done? The hero in you wants to work to arrive and not merely arrive to work. Life, after all, is pitifully short. Take the time to figure out what your life well lived could mean, and then go out and live it. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.